China has identified the cause of the
mysterious new virus.
Coronavirus.
There are fears a rapidly spreading virus has reached Australia.
This is a rapidly emerging situation where there is not a cause for alarm.
The National Coronavirus Command Council has decided to enforce a nationwide lockdown. Working together with business, we are putting in place measures to mitigate the economic impact both of this disease and our economic response to it. We are today announcing a set of interventions that will help to cushion our society from these economic difficulties. These interventions are quick and targeted. Firstly, we are supporting the vulnerable. Following consultation with social partners, we have set up a solidarity fund which South African businesses, organizations and individuals and members of the international community can contribute to. The fund will focus efforts to combat the spread of the virus, help us to track the spread, care for those who are ill, and support those whose lives are disrupted. The fund will complement what we are doing in the public sector. The fund will be administered by a reputable team of people drawn from the financial institutions, accounting firms, and government. It will fully account for every cent contributed and will publish the details on the website.
The army is out on the streets, here in one of Johannesburg's poor neighbourhoods. It's trying to enforce what seems difficult for many, staying at home. For the Ledwaba family, lockdown means 6 people sharing 12 square metres. That normally only happens at night when they sleep. Millions suffer from tuberculosis and AIDS and are at particular risk.
That's no choice.
Food shopping is allowed, but the queues are often long, and few here keep their distance.
I can't go to work, and that worries me. I don't know if my employer will still need me after the lockdown is over.
The standstill will likely ruin many businesses in South Africa.
The AG's office has briefed the committee on the disbursement of COVID-19 relief funds. It revealed that while 513 million was budgeted for SMMEs, only 316 million was approved and disbursed. Spaza shops were also affected as 175 million was budgeted for, but only 18 million was approved.
The department was unable to assist all the applicants that sought relief in terms of financial assistance due to the limitations in terms of the available budget, which really highlights the importance of the job that is done by the department, as well as the plight of small businesses.
By the end of March 2021, the situation improved to 100% disbursement of funds, but the beneficiaries remain low.
So that particular budget was spent overall as a whole and was made available to the deserving participants, except unfortunately it was only about 3% of the applicants that submitted that could successfully be supported through that initiative. And we've alluded to the challenges which that represents, because it means about 97 of those then still remained without the required support.
The committee says while this does not necessarily mean corruption, however, the under-expenditure is concerning.
We note the under-expenditure during the COVID period. It was a very difficult time. There has been lots of applicants, and I think there was big room for improvement. Luckily, we did not pick up wholesale corruption, but I think what we did pick up was a inability of the system to manage the application.
The committee has also implored the AG's office to release the forensic audit of the department under the previous administration. Ulelani Philip, SABC News, Parliament.